Drawing on the computer. I worked for 14 plus years creating a cyber school, an online high school. During this time, I still had the urge to create art. I was always in front of the computer. I thought I would try to draw on the computer. Using a mouse and a drawing program I've been using for years to create icons and online course elements, I decided to try to create art. Using the mouse limits your ability to create detailed work, but it also allows you to create a loose, powerful image which will turn out different every time you create it. Embrace the challenge, which is the lack of ability to create detail, and see what you can create. I draw on the iPad when I want to create detail, so every once in a while I combine the two processes. I create an image on the computer with my mouse, and then I transfer it to the iPad and add the detail. This daisy drawing is an example of that. Good luck and share what you created. Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.